For decades, the rhythm of my life was set by the scrape of chalk, the focused silence of a classroom, and the triumphant spark in a student's eyes when a complex concept finally clicked. As Rahul sir, I've been privileged to guide countless students on their mathematical journeys, witnessing transformations fueled by hard work and personalized attention. That core mission, unlocking potential, one student at a time, remains unwavering. But the tools? They've evolved. And let me tell you, transitioning from chalkboard to keyboard isn't just a necessity of the times, it's an opportunity to enhance the very essence of personalized learning. And it's far easier and more rewarding than you might think. Making the transition smooth for everyone. I understand the apprehension. Change can be daunting, especially when it involves technology. But my experience has shown that the transition is remarkably smooth when approached thoughtfully. Simplicity is key, we don't need fancy setups. A decent internet connection, a device with a camera, mic, laptop, tablet, and a quiet space are all that's required. I guide students and parents through the simple platform we use. It's intuitive, designed for learning. Focus on comfort. The first session is often about getting comfortable testing audio, playing with the digital pen tools, establishing a rapport just like we would in person. The tech quickly fades into the background. Preserving the human connection, I make a conscious effort to maintain the warmth and engagement. We look at the camera, we celebrate successes enthusiastically, we ask questions, and we build that essential trust, all through the screen. The connection is real, it's just delivered differently. Parental peace of mind. For parents, the transparency is often greater. You know exactly when sessions are happening, progress can be easily discussed, with student consent, and the safety of learning from home is invaluable.